If you've ever been working on a project and were on the verge of making a breakthrough, all of a sudden your supervisor asked you to address a crucial bug on another branch of the project? While you are frantically trying to swap branches, what about the work that you are now working on? In contrast to merging incomplete code, which can result in a mess, completely abandoning it feels like a waste of time. Do not be afraid, fellow programmers. The powerful version control system that is at the core of sourcetree is called Git, and it offers a useful function called stashing that serves as a temporary holding area for your modifications that have not yet been committed. Think of it as a secure location where you may leave your work while you attend to other concerns that are more important. In this video, we'll delve into the world of stashing in sourcetree. We'll explore what it is, when to use it, and how to effectively manage your stash changes. So, buckle up and get ready to master this Git gem. Why stash? Understanding the need. Imagine you're building a new feature, and halfway through, an urgent hotfix lands. You can't simply abandon your feature branch, but merging incomplete work can lead to confusion and conflicts later. Stashing comes to the rescue. It lets you temporarily put your changes aside, leaving your working directory clean. This allows you to seamlessly switch branches, fix the hotfix, and then come back to your feature with all your changes intact. Here are some other scenarios where stashing shines. Trying out a risky code experiment. Want to test a new approach without jeopardizing your main branch? Stash your current work, experiment freely, and if it doesn't pan out, you can simply apply your previous stash to revert safely. Collaborating on multiple projects simultaneously, juggling different projects? Stash your changes on one project before switching to another. This keeps your workspace organized and prevents accidental mixing of code. The Art of Stashing in Sourcetree, a step-by-step guide. Now that we understand the why behind stashing, let's dive into the how using Sourcetree. Make your changes. First things first, you need to have uncommitted changes in your working directory. Edit some files, add new ones. The magic of stashing lies in preserving these modifications. The mighty stash button. Look for the stash button in the top left corner of the Sourcetree interface. It might be grayed out if you have no uncommitted changes. That's your friendly reminder to get coding. Crafting a meaningful message. Clicking stash opens a dialog box. Here, you have the golden opportunity to add a descriptive message for your stash. This is crucial, especially if you accumulate multiple stash changes. A clear message like fixed navigation bug or feature X in progress will be a lifesaver when recalling your stashes later. Keeping staged changes, optional by default. Stashing removes all changes, including staged ones, files you've explicitly marked for commit. If you want to keep staged changes while stashing the rest, tick the Keep Staged Changes checkbox. This allows you to focus on unstaged modifications while preserving your intended commits. Hitting the brakes. Once you've crafted your message, and optionally check the Keep Staged Changes box, click OK to stash your changes. Sourcetree will create a new stash entry, visible in the Stashes section of the left sidebar. This section acts like a personal storage locker for your uncommitted work. Retrieving your stashed work, applying and dropping. So, you fixed the hotfix or collaborated on another project, and it's time to reclaim your stashed work. Here's how to retrieve it. Unearthing the stash. In the Stashes section, locate the stash you want to apply. Double-click it to preview the changes it contains. This helps you confirm you're picking the right one. Bringing it back, applying versus dropping. You have two options, apply and drop. Applying reintroduces the stash changes back into your working directory, essentially unpacking them from storage. Dropping, on the other hand, does the same thing but also removes the stash entry itself. Remember, applying a stash integrates the changes into your current working directory. If you have ongoing modifications, it can lead to merge conflicts. Resolve them carefully before proceeding. Managing multiple stashes. As your development journey progresses, you might accumulate a collection of stashes. Here's how to keep them organized.